Tired of wrestling with that giant Costco Christmas tree after the holidays are over? Let's conquer the post-holiday cleanup and get your tree safely stowed away for next year, making your life a whole lot easier. First things first, let's tackle the decorations. Before you even think about taking the tree down, grab some dedicated storage containers or even sturdy cardboard boxes as you remove each type of ornament, say, the delicate glass baubles, the cheerful tinsel, and those sentimental handmade pieces. Sort them into their respective containers. This prevents breakage and makes decorating next year a breeze. Next, let's talk about lights, the trickiest part for many. Gently unplug all light strands then. Instead of just stuffing them into a box, consider wrapping them around a piece of sturdy cardboard or a specialized light winder. This prevents that dreaded tangled mess we all know and hate. If your tree has prelate lights, ensure they are securely attached and undamaged before moving on. Now, for the tree itself, most Costco trees are designed for easy disassembly. Locate the main connecting poles typically. Each section will have a locking mechanism or a simple friction fit. You might need a gentle twist or a slight pull to release each section. Be patient and don't force anything. Check for any hidden clips or tabs you might have missed. Once the main sections are separated, it's time to protect your tree for its year-long nap. If you have the original bag, great. If not, a large, heavy-duty garbage bag or a dedicated tree storage bag works wonderfully. Carefully slide each tree section into the bag. This shields it from dust, moisture, and potential damage during storage. Finally, before you zip it up, give the branches a gentle fluff inwards. This compacts the tree slightly, making it easier to fit into its storage location. Whether that's an attic, basement, or garage, make sure the bag tree is stored in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. And there you have it. Your Costco Christmas tree, safely disassembled and ready for a happy return next holiday season. Happy storing.